All right, this concludes the section of the course on using JHipster with MongoDB. I just wanted to get our feet wet with it and show you the contrast between using a regular SQL database versus a NoSQL database, and how we can use JHipster to go to either one. And you saw how easy it was to create the task application using an SQL database, and how it was just as easy to do it under MongoDB. So we just got a little bit of exposure to MongoDB. I did it because I have fun with using different technologies. That's something I personally enjoy. And I wanted to show you a little bit of MongoDB and show you how easy it was, because right now in the enterprise, MongoDB is really getting a lot of traction. It's becoming very popular. I'm not going to be able to go into MongoDB in depth in this course, but I did want to get you exposed to it. If you have interest, I definitely, if you're going into the enterprise as a developer, definitely suggest getting more experience with MongoDB, because it really is getting very popular. Now, going forward in the course, we are going to start rolling up our sleeves and exploring building a real-world application. So I think this is going to be the funnest part of the course as we go through that and build up this real-world application. We're going to build it, and it's actually going to get out in production and be used in the real world. So coming up is going to be some really cool stuff.